Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, how is your day? I hope you have a good day and I hope you are still healthy. Back again with me Faras at YouTube Learning Kisco and Microtic with me, Faras. As you know, we will discuss the material about CCNA, still continue, and I hope you will understand this material. If you have a question, you can asking in the comment column. Okay, this day we wanna talk about and discuss about VLan in generally, and where are we going to make the lab with Kisco package as usually. Don't forget it. If you don't have a Kisco package tracer, you can download it in kisco.com. I will give you some general about VLan. VLan routing can be defined as a way of forward traffic between different VLAN by implementing a router in the network. As we learned previously, VLan logical segment the switch into different subnets. When a router is connected to the switch, an administrator can configure the router to forward the traffic between the various VLAN configured on the switch. The user node in the VLAN forward traffic to the router, which then forward the traffic to the destination network, regardless of VLAN configured on the switch. Simply, we gonna make the previously I talked about we cannot ping in the different VLAN or different IP address. We're gonna make that happen, but I will give you some opinion. For my opinion, we want to make between VLan 10 or VLan student, and VLan 20 and VLan teacher. As you know, VLan teacher is VLan 20. Okay, is connected. We must add a new device that is a router. Okay, in this lab, we're gonna add a new device called as the router. As you know, why router? Because a router has a function as a layer 3 and network layer in the OC layer, which the for routing so that all network can connect to each other. Why we not choose switch? Because switch cannot configure, as you know, switch a layer 2 at OC layer and router is OC layer 3. Okay, if you confused about OC layer, you can search on Google or YouTube for the material OC layer, because as network engineering, we must know 3 layer at OC layer. Okay guys, as you can see in your screen, I have OC layer models. As a network engineering, we have to learn about this bits, physical, data link, and network. This is more important to as a network engineering. We're gonna know and how far we're gonna know the network, data link, and physical. Okay, if you wanna I to make the video for SLA, you can comment on the column comment. Okay guys, we are going to starting the configuration. First, we're gonna create topology as usually. We're gonna add the new device called as router. You can find router in this network. I usually use this router in OS. You can using other router, but I recommended use router like as me 2.8.11.11.1. Sorry. Okay, we're gonna start. Okay guys, as you can see on your screen, the left side or blue side is VLan student and yellow side is VLan teacher as usually. Okay, we're gonna make 2 VLan and we must add IP address to the PC, and in this lab we're gonna added a new gateway. Okay, this is a gateway for the PC left side or blue side is 10.10.1. We're gonna make a gateway for this PC this, and the teacher PC is gonna we make a gateway again, same as you can see on your screen figure, but gateway is different. Okay, for teacher is 20, for student is 10. Okay, we are going to let's go. First, like usually, enable configuration terminal. Okay, first we're gonna make VLan. Okay, name for VLan student. We can exit. Go to the global config again. VLan 20 name teacher. After we gonna exit. As usually we are gonna make the interface is connected by VLan. We're gonna make the command is int array such as rain fa. For the blue side, we can see on your screen a fa0/2 and fa0/3, and the other blue side as a VLan teacher, a VLan student, sorry, VLan student for VLan 10. Okay, we're gonna add 2 until 3. Okay, 2 until 3. Actually, switch port mode access first, and switch port access VLan 10 for the VLan student or VLan 10. Okay, then for VLan student, going to the another FA, we're gonna configure FA0/4 and 0/5 as FA for VLan 20 or VLan teacher. 4 until 5. Okay, 4 until 5. Switch port mode access and switch port access VLan 20. Okay, for the VLan we're gonna done because the switch and router is a different device. We're gonna add a trunk configuration. Okay, we can see the FA for the goes to the router is FA0/1. Okay, interface FA0/1, switch port, switch port mode trunk. Okay, we can exit. Okay, after for the switch done, we can make ping. Okay, for checking ping our neighbor, ping neighbor student first, point 2. Okay, done for neighbor, but I will try to ping neighbor teacher, point 2. As you can see, this replay message is request timeout because we must added any configuration. First, previously I talk about it. Okay, done for PC. We're gonna going to another device is router. Okay, double click for router. Go to CLA first. Yes. Would you like to enter initial configuration dialog? You can say no. I usually no. Okay, this is for command line interface for router is same as like switch. Okay, guys. Configure like easily configuration terminal. Okay, because you can see on your screen the interface going to the switch is red, color is red. Okay, not like PC goes to the switch is green. Why? Because router goes to the switch is we can see not activated. We must do activated because the system, the default system like that, guys. Okay, we're gonna add the interface like actually interface fa0/1 for goes to the switch. We gonna edit this command. Okay, guys, no shutdown. Okay, now as you can see on your screen, no shutdown for goes to the switch. You can enter. Okay, this is, oh sorry guys, I wrong for no shutdown. You can exit first is intfa 0/0, guys. Okay, 0/0, not 0/1. Can enter no shutdown, same as you can see the color changing going to the green and orange. Okay, that means the configuration, the cable for the switch goes to the router or router goes to the switch is turned on. Okay, first we gonna make like virtual interface for the PC in the blue side and yellow side. Okay, this is for the configuration we make. We want to make the blue side can ping to the yellow side. VLan student can ping to the VLan teacher, but in different IP address and different VLan number. Okay, first we're gonna add configuration. First, we just added int like easily int. You can see the cable is going to the switch is fa0/0. Now, do not enter first. Okay, you're gonna add this comment point 10. Okay, what does this mean? Point 10 mean is this is a virtual interface for the PC student or VLAN student. Sorry, for VLAN student is point 10. If you make not 10, you can add any number such as 20 or 13. Okay. After this, you can enter. Now we are going entering to the new sub if. As you can see, this sub if sub interface. Okay, not virtual but sub interface for the VLAN student. First, do not entering IP address. We're gonna entering encapsulation mode. Encapsulation dot key. This is for number. Okay, guys. If you added the number is for VLAN student not 10, 20, for example 13, you can add that. Okay, 10 because I added VLAN 10. Okay, enter. After that, after we added encapsulation dot one key 10, we're gonna add an IP address for the gateway for the VLAN student. Okay, or VLAN 10 10.10.10.1. Previously I tell you we gonna added the gateway for the other PC. Okay guys, don't forget it. I'm going to exit. For IP gateway for the VLAN student or blue side is done. We're gonna make the gateway for the yellow side or VLAN teacher. Same command fa 0/0 and point 20 for the VLAN teacher. Okay, don't forget that you can adjustment for the number. Okay, encapsulation, the number you are added is that I added the VLAN teacher is 20 for the number. If you added 13 or 14 is okay. 20, make IP address 20.20.20.1.255.255 for subnet mask. Okay, we are done for the adding the encapsulation mode, as we can say, or sub interface for the VLAN student and VLAN teacher. For checking the configuration right or no, we can type a comment do show IP interface brief BR. Now as you can see, for the fast Ethernet 0/0.10, the sub interface for fast Ethernet VLAN student and VLAN teacher IP address is 10.10. We're gonna check again. As you can see, point 10 is I entering gateway for the VLAN PC0 or PC blue side is 10.10. Okay, this is right for the gateway, and for the another PC2 or PC in the yellow side is 20.20.1. Okay, you can see in your screen this is right config. Okay, for gateway you can adjustment for on your number. Okay guys, we are going to ping to our neighbor but in different VLAN number and different IP address. Okay, you can see I will ping to 2020.2. We're gonna enter. We can just waiting. As you can see, the first reply is request timeout, and that the reply message have like we are going to ping with our neighbor in blue side, but this is I ping goes to the our neighbor in different VLAN number and different IP address. Okay, for the we'll check it up again. Ping 10.10.10 is 0.2. Okay, I will ping the that PC. Okay, as you can see we have a replay message. Some that's mean we are set. We are done for the this lab interview land, and for this lab we accepted as for the lab interview land is done. If you have any question for this lab, you can ask in the comment column. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have question, I previously say that you can make the column and you can type in the comment column. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment, subscribe. See you next time in the YouTube channel at Earn Kisco and Microtic with Paras. Have a nice day. See you next time. Peace.